Good afternoon. First of all, I am very happy that I have this opportunity to come to visit with you in the PMMA. As the Rear Admiral Ritual has explained, the history of my family with the PMMA is long and deep. And that is because of the recognition of the importance of the officers that are produced here in the Academy. The Philippines is an archipelagic country, an archipelago that is comprised of 7,107 islands. And therefore, the security of our seas and our territory is something that is primordially important to the state. And that is why all our officers that have graduated from the Academy, that will graduate from the Academy, will have in their hands nothing less than the safety and the security of the people and of the state. That is how important it is. That is how important your role will be. And the time comes that you take up your duties either in the Navy or in the Merchant Marine. This importance has been highlighted by the political developments that have happened in what we now call the West Philippine Sea or the South China Sea. I am sure all the cadets are aware of the situation that we are facing now. Kung binabantayan ninyo yung APEC ngayon, napapag-usapan ang sabihin na lang natin ang gitgitan ng China at ng iba't ibang bansa sa ASEAN. And again, this highlights the importance of our Navy, of our Coast Guard in their defense of our security and of our territory. It has become so important that it is now an international issue, and it is something that we in the Philippines must continue to defend. It cannot be allowed that even 1 square inch of Philippine territory be lost to any other country. That is what we need to do. That is the responsibility that the young cadets will eventually hold in their hands. Though that is for those of you who will opt to enter the Philippine Navy, who will enter the Philippine Coast Guard. Our capabilities are slowly being strengthened. Ito naman ang napapalitaan ninyo na tayo'y binibigyan ng tulong ng ating mga kaibigan, hindi lamang ng Amerika, hindi ang ibang bansa sa pamamagitan ng pagbigay sa atin mga gamit, hindi ng barko, helicopter, at kung ano-ano pang pangangailangan ng ating mga puwersa para manindigan at ipagtanggol ang teritoryo ng Pilipinas. And so that is why this has become a burning issue. Whereas before, the Academy was something that was ongoing and only in the back of people's minds. Now, you will come once again to the forefront of our thinking, our concerns, because of all the issues that we are facing. But I am sure, I am confident, that with the training, with the experience that you gain, as you go through your courses here in the Academy, that you will be well prepared for any eventuality. For those of you who will eventually choose to enter the Merchant Marine, once again, the role that you play is extremely important. It is extremely important because the Merchant Marine now and has been for many, many years the face of the Philippines to the rest of the world. Kung minsan ang ating mga seafarers ang siya lang kilala ng Pilipino ng ating mga kaibigan at ating kalabas. At you are in your own way, ambassadors of the Philippines. Not ambassadors in the diplomatic sense, but ambassadors in reminding our friends in other countries that what Filipinos are, that we are a good, hard-working, intelligent, well-trained, well-disciplined race. And that is the face that we show, and that is why up to now we comprise of the 1.2 million seafarers in the world. Over 400,000 are Filipinos. That is a testimonial to the quality and the excellence of the service that our Filipino seafarers provide to their ship owners. That is also a recognition of the fine training that they have received and the respect that they have garnered in the time that they have worked as in the merchant marine. That is why not only do I exhort in your continuing effort to be the face of the Philippines, to not only go out and find jobs to help yourselves, to help your families, but also because you are the representatives of our country to help the entire republic. And for that, for the work that you will do, and for the work that has been done by the graduates of the academy, I congratulate you, the cadets. I congratulate all those who have been involved in your training, all those that have been involved in the running of the PMMA for the job well done. Keep it up and make us proud. Thank you.